Hi everyone, I'm Ollie. I'm doing a Q&A this afternoon with the man himself, JP from JP Mortgages. Afternoon, JP. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Just an update on the housing market in general, please.
Where would you like to start?
Buy-to-let mortgages, please.
Okay, buy-to-let mortgages at the moment, the rates are quite high. We've got stamp duty increased, which I'll talk about shortly but in general, yeah, the landlords are taking a bit of a pasting on that bit, but they are available. There are some good rates. The cheaper the rates, unfortunately, you got some big fees.
Okay, is there any way of not paying stamp duty?
Good question. Yeah, there is. There's three ways. The first way is to buy a property into a limited company in probate.
Okay.
Is one way to avoid paying it. The second way is to buy an uninhabitable property with no roof on it whatsoever in a poor state. And the third way is, that's it basically, yeah, there are two ways, yeah, sorry, carry on.
Okay, can we touch on first-time buyers?
Yeah, first-time buyers, again, great time to buy. Why? We've still got 95% mortgages. If you can cast your mind back to COVID, we only had 80% mortgages. So we've got first-time buyers mortgages available with the bank of mum and dad, which means mum and dad can pay the deposit for them and help them out. So great time for first-time buyers, some great rates about, and we just, I'd say anybody on the housing market today, first-time buyers, get yourself on the market, get something bought.
Speaking of interest rates, how are they looking now and in the future?
Yeah, unfortunately, they're going to be going one way, and it's upwards. The banks are not taking any more of this kidology from the government. The rates are going to be cheap. They're going to be high long term.
So, anything else happening in 2025 we should look out for?
Just a very up and down economy as it is now. Things are very strained at the moment. A lot going on in the UK. We're now out of the EU, so the banks are very cautious. There's still good rates out there, but you'll also pay a high fee to get them.
Okay, so speaking of the government, can you give us a touch on the Labour government and what that'll mean for us?
Yeah, basically they're here, they're going to do whatever they want to do. The country's in phenomenal debt, as no different from the Conservatives. They'll do whatever they want to do, but everything's going up. Gas, electric, water, food, the whole lot. So these cheap mortgage interest rates that they're talking about aren't going to be there.
Okay, can you give us a bit more insight on landlord and limited company mortgages, please?
Yeah, landlords, limited company mortgages, we can do them. Best way to go, you buy the company into the you buy the property into the limited company, and obviously you get some, not bad rates, but slightly higher than the normal buy-to-let, but some good tax advantages within the landlord limited company purchase.
Okay, can you give us more of an insight onto the UK economy as well?
Yeah, again, UK economy, at the moment, there's no real growth. Inflation's starting to kind of increase again. Importing and exporting is, again, expensive. Everything's quite expensive. Everything's getting more expensive now to do things in the UK.
Okay, what other services do you offer to clients,
Okay.
JP?
We sell property online, and we've got in-house brokers that do your buildings and contents insurance, in-house brokers that do your life insurance. I also specialise in bridging finance and also development finance. So we're a one-stop shop really. Got my own in-house surveyors. So give us a call and see what we can do.
That's great, JP. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.